What's up guys, Reese here from reese3d.com. So I just got the latest Photoshop 2026 and I thought okay, let's just test out the new AI features. Okay, so here's an old picture of mine. Let's try to fix this image. Okay, so what we can do is we can basically use the AI just to retouch and make it better. So now just instead of just me using a simple prompt, what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to duplicate this layer and I'm going to get the prompt from another AI. Okay, so I'm going to use ChatGPT here. So I'm going to ask here, write me a prompt, retouch, and colorize an old black and white photo to HD quality digital photo. Okay, so let's just enter that and ChatGPT is going to give us a prompt. Okay, here's the thing. Okay, so much of details it is giving. Okay, great. So let me just copy this. Okay, so copy, and I'm just going to go back to my Photoshop here and I'll choose I'm going to choose the entire area, so Control A just to select everything, and oops, okay, and I'm going to just say generative fill and I'm going to paste the prompt that I got from there. Okay, so we have Adobe Firefly, that is image 3, that is the latest one, and we also have Gemini's Nano Banana, and we also have Flux. So let's try first with the Firefly image 3. Let's see what result we get. Now keep in mind the Firefly image 3 takes less number of credits, but the other two takes a lot of credits, so you have to be careful how many times you're doing this. All right. What is this? It has nothing to do with what I originally showed. Is it really working on this image? I don't know. Okay, so I have no idea what's going on here. Okay, so let me just hide that, basically delete that layer. I want this photo to be modified. Okay, so select subject. I'm actually doing this for the first time, so I think maybe I'm doing it wrong. Okay, fine. So let's try again one more time. Control A. Let's choose generative fill. Hit OK. And let's try with Gemini and create. I'm doing the same exact thing that I did with the Firefly. So if I did something wrong there, oh my goodness, that is that is so good. I don't know why Firefly couldn't figure this out. Oh my god, just look at that. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, so much of details. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, fine. So now let me just hide this, and I'll go back to the same image, and let me try the same thing with Flex, and so that we can actually compare between them. Okay, so I'm going to press Control A to select everything, and let's go to generative fill and paste the same exact prompt. Okay, so this time it's going to be Flex, and hit generate. Wow, it just gave some lipsticks and stuff, but it actually changed the face. I guess this is not the same face as it was before, but it has added a lot of nice little detail here. You can see if I zoom in closer, yeah, look at the color, the baby color, and for the legs as well. Okay, it's a little bit out of focus, but purposely maybe made the legs to be a little out of focus, but look at the result. Okay, let me just compare with the original, and yeah, Look at the ears. Oh my God. Oh my God. Actually, it has done a lot of artificial detailing because those details were not there, but I think it kept the originality there. Oh my God. Oh my God. With AI, I don't know where we are going. Wow, so that's AI, guys, and you can actually compare the difference. Okay, this is the Flex result, and this is the Nano Bananas result. There you go, huge difference. I like the Flex result much better compared to the Nano Bananas result. Yeah, it does look like a latest digital cameras, high quality, high resolution picture. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more AI videos. Okay, take care guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.